Okay, let's come over and look at CL this morning, which has been interesting. I gave you a lovely day trade this morning, which I flagged the literally just after the entry, but it was very, very quick 70 points if you were paying attention to the early morning charts. In terms of what I'm looking for, if that was the 4 at the pre-market high yesterday, we're looking for an A, B, C structure down here. And at the moment, this is a leading diagonal down where we got the 3 hit the 138.2, the 5 hit the 2.0 extension. We're just at the 618 bag as we speak. Now, I've just shorted CL this morning at that high, and I'm just watching it carefully. I want to see it get back down below the 50-70 area and then continue lower. That's what I've got in CL. Now, taking it out to the 4-hour chart, we're close, I think, to the low. So I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is just a diagonal. ABC 1, 2, ABC 3, 4, and this morning's low was the A of 5. This should be the B of 5. Next drop, which should be in 5 waves, into a fib, gives us a swing long opportunity in CL from there. Let's just take that back to the 15-minute chart. NG also been difficult. At the moment, we've got this A down, B up, counting that as the 1, and this peak yesterday that we saw as the 2, which came just shy of the 887 retrace of this move down. We need to see it back below 42.09 and head down to at least 38.30. Take out 48.64 and it invalidates that count. But at the moment, this morning, we're heading in the right direction, but it's been really tricky as NG. And day trading wise, I'm looking for it to take out this lower blue line here at 45.37 and continue strongly lower next.